الجوية.
So we're going to hand over to our commentator now from the Pakistani Air Force with the JF-17.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a few moments from now, you are about to witness the solo aerobatics of JF-17 Thunder, the pride of Pakistan. It is a lightweight, single-engine, multi-role combat aircraft developed by the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex in collaboration with Chengdu Aircraft Corporation of China.
سيداتي وسادتي، بعد لحظات قليلة من الآن أنتم على وشك مشاهدة العروض الجوية المنفردة لطائرة JF-17 ثاندر فخر باكستان. إنها طائرة مقاتلة خفيفة الوزن ذات محرك واحد ومتعددة المهام، طورها مجمع الطيران الباكستاني بالتعاون مع شركة تشينغدو للطائرات الصينية.
Ladies and gentlemen, JF-17 aerobatics team, named as Thunder Demo Team, was established in year 2010, and since then it has performed in Paris, China, Qatar, Bahrain, UAE, Poland, Turkey, and Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This is the fourth appearance of Thunder Demo Team in Dubai Airshow. Today, the aircraft is being flown by one of the veteran aerobatics pilots of Pakistan Air Force, Wing Commander Syed Sibtan Akhtar, with call sign Thunder 1.
تم إنشاء فريق العروض الجوية JF-17 المسمى باسم ثاندر ديمو تيم في عام 2010، ومنذ ذلك الحين يقدم عروضه في فرنسا والصين وقطر والبحرين والإمارات العربية المتحدة وبولندا وتركيا والمملكة السعودية. هذا هو الظهور الرابع لثاندر ديمو تيم في معرض دبي للطيران. اليوم يقود الطائرة أحد طياري العروض الجوية المخضرمين في القوات الجوية الباكستانية، قائد الجناح سيد سبطين أختر، مع اسم النداء الرعد 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, keep your gaze towards the left side as JF-17 Thunder is about to take off. Here comes the JF-17 Thunder. The aircraft is now performing an adjustment turn, and after that it will execute a high G turn maneuver. Keep your gaze towards your right side. The aircraft is now aligning with the venue for a high G turn. You are going to see the display pilot using all his professional skills and acumen to turn the aircraft by 360 degrees while maintaining constant height under Gs. At the culmination of this maneuver, Wing Commander Sibtan would adjust himself for a half Cuban 8. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the spectacle of JF-17 Thunder rising up in Dubai sky. The aircraft has a maximum speed of Mach 1.6 with high thrust to weight ratio. It is equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, which enables it to carry out all-weather operations under various environments. It is capable of BVR air-to-air fight, air-to-surface, and air-to-sea standoff roles. The aircraft is sufficiently equipped for aerial reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and air-to-air refueling, providing operational benefits to complete all types of missions. And all of this is coupled with extreme agility and maneuverability, which will be demonstrated in the next maneuver, which is a 4-point roll. If you look towards your right side, JF-17 is now running in for a 4-point roll while constantly maintaining its altitude. One, 2, 3, 4. After the 4-point roll, Thunder 1 is now adjusting himself for the subsequent maneuver, which is going to be a skid. Ladies and gentlemen, keep your gaze towards your left side. You will see the JF-17 Thunder running in and initiating the skid maneuver, awing the audience with its roaring thunder. I present to you JF-17 Thunder. After this maneuver, the pilot is adjusting himself for the next maneuver, which is going to be a high alpha pass. Ladies and gentlemen, you have witnessed till now a glimpse of the Thunder's true potential. The aircraft is not only at par with any of the 4th-gen fighters in the world, but offers an affordable cost and provides a viable solution for replacement of aging fighter fleets. Additionally, for effective training, the dual cockpit B model is also fully operational. Ladies and gentlemen, where the JF-17 is capable of exceeding the speed of sound and flying at ultra-low level, it is equally capable of flying at slow speeds. Now the aircraft is going to perform a high alpha pass, which will be followed by the muscle climb, in which the aircraft will climb by its own power. You can now see the aircraft flying at extremely slow speed, performing the high alpha pass. Ladies and gentlemen, hear the thunder roar and climb into the blue yonder on brute muscle power, presenting its salute to the people of Dubai.
أيها السيدات والسادة، استمعوا إلى صوت الرعد القادم من سماء دبي ليمتعنا بعرضه الممتع.
Now the aircraft is adjusting for the final maneuver of its display today, which includes the vertical rolls. The aircraft is going to run in from your left side and pull straight into the sky to perform vertical rolls. The aircraft is advancing towards the venue with its roaring thunder and all of its vigor. Ladies and gentlemen, gaze upon the beauty, the elegance, Pakistan's pride, JF-17 Thunder, running in and pulling up. Now, rolling and disappearing into the blue skies, paying its tribute to the people of Dubai and all of its audience. It is worth mentioning here that the latest and most lethal of JF-17s, the Block 3, has joined Dubai Air Show for its first international appearance. The aircraft is on static display and belongs to number 16 multi-role squadron of Pakistan Air Force. It is a true 4.5 gen fighter, armed with the latest weaponry and equipped with a cutting-edge avionics. Its ESA radar, onboard EW suite, and multi-spectrum offensive defensive capabilities make it a formidable war machine. Make sure to visit the aircraft and take a glimpse of the symbol of self-reliance, perseverance, and pride of Pakistan, JF-17 Thunder Block 3, symbolizing the motto of Pakistan Air Force. Sehras ke darya ast, tehe balo pare ma ast. Be it deserts or seas, all lie under our wings.
سيداتي وسادتي، تجدر الإشارة هنا إلى أن أحدث طائرات JF-17 وأكثرها فتكا، وهي طائرة البلوك من النسخة الثالثة، قد انضمت إلى معرض دبي للطيران في ظهورها الدولي الأول. الطائرة معروضة بشكل ثابت وتنتمي إلى السرب MR-16 التابع للقوات الجوية الباكستانية. إنها مقاتلة حقيقية من الجيل الرابع، مسلحة بأحدث الأسلحة ومجهزة بإلكترونيات الطيران المتطورة. إن رادار الإيسا ومجموعة الحرب الإلكترونية المدمجة وقدراتها الهجومية الدفاعية متعددة الأطياف تجعل منها آلة حرب هائلة. نشاهد الآن طائرة JF-17 تقوم بالهبوط بمدرج مطار آل مكتوم الدولي. يدعوكم الفريق الباكستاني إلى زيارة الطائرة وإلقاء نظرة على رمز الاعتماد على الذات والمثابرة والفخر الباكستاني.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we could see the 15, the JF-17 is coming to land now back in Al Maktoum Airport. And next we will be ready with the F-15. يعقد معرض دبي الدولي للطيران نموذجا من نماذج التميز والنجاح ومحطة عالمية أساسية ومهمة لصناعة الطيران، وبات يعزز دورة بعد أخرى من مكانة دولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة في هذا المجال بدعم من القيادة الرشيدة التي لا تدخر جهدا في تبوء أعلى مراتب التميز والتقدم. يعد معرض دبي للطيران 2023 الدورة 18 لهذا المعرض بنسخته الاستثنائية.